Hey guys, how's it going? It's June 2nd, 2023. Time to clock in. Let's see what we can find. I'm kind of looking at this CAD yen. It may be okay. So in this dollar yen, we see from the top we got a trend break, retest the new lows, breaking clear out the range. But we got a bounce here, and now we're making a huge signal candle back. We are a mile away from the EMA. We got 1, 2 legs down. I'm seeing this as a failed. See, this is gonna be a failed breakout, 92%. Huge rejection candle. So go 10 minutes. Expecting to come back into the range, come back up to the EMA, work our way back up to the top. Dollar strength. We'll see. Also was a triple test. Good looking dollar yen, you looking good. All right, dollar yen, 1 minute to go. Good looking trade, comfortable, never was in jeopardy. Good win. Good win on this dollar yen. Two seconds. All right, dollar yen, good win. So I just want to do a quick recap of my day. You know, these are 10-minute trades, so it'd be a pretty long video if I showed them all. So I showed the best trade today, which was that dollar yen. But mistakes were made today. You know, I started today here on this Visa setup, and it had already had 4 touches at the top of the range. So I took the 5th touch, and I was feeling like it's already had too many touches. And but it ran in my favor. I was up a mile, got under the EMA, up a mile, and then it made 3 huge candles back up, broke out the top of the range and kept going. So that's just you know, the way it goes. You know, you get to 4 or 5 touches, it's getting a little shaky. You know, I like taking that 2nd touch, that 3rd touch, and maybe the 4th. But that 5th, I should have skipped this. And then I had a better trade that only had 1 touch that I didn't take that would have worked. So started the day rough with that, because I picked this one in the loss and I skipped one that won. That's always tough. And then it even got worse because this Swiss yen right here was actually another loser. I took this one, I was clearly down, but what happened is it broke out the top of the range and then made a falling hammer at the top with like a minute to go. So I doubled up and it worked out, but it didn't work out by a lot. That was very risky. I don't plan on doing it again. In this case, it worked out. So this ended up being a wash. So I was only down 1. And then I took the perfect dollar yen trade that I showed earlier. That got me back to even. I also was in a New Zealand yen at that same time. This wasn't a setup. It wasn't off. It wasn't off the key entry point. It wasn't off the bottom of the channel. It already broke out. This was a bad trade. I wish I had this one back. So this New Zealand yen I need back, and this Visa I should have skipped. I do those two things, and this whole day is totally different. But then we caught another dollar yen down. So this first one was up, dollar yen up, made it to the top of the range. Then I took it back down, got the win there, and then I just found this cash switch right at the end to go positive on the day. So it was a positive day. You always love positive days. Took 7 trades, 57%, a little under my target. I want to be at 60%, but that's okay. But again, I made mistakes. You know, if I skip this Visa, take the better trade that I didn't take and get that win, and then if I don't take this New Zealand, completely different day. But we are thankful to have a positive day. Any winning day is a great day. So I'm thankful, praise Yahuwah. And so we'll come back and do it again. I don't know if I'm gonna trade the weekend or not. Now that I'm kind of dipping my toes back in OTC, I may. I'm thinking that if the volume is lower on the weekend, it's going to be a lot of ranges. So there may be some opportunity. I don't know. I'll just play it by ear. But if I find a nice range that is bouncing at the same spot every time, I may have to take it. But so far, range fade summer started out pretty good. We went positive. We made money yesterday. We made money today. 2 positive days in a row. All range fade setups. So far, so good. We'll see what the month brings. We'll keep trying. Not keep trying, but we'll keep taking these range fades. 10-minute setup. But so far, so good. I like it. It's comfortable. And, you know, the wins are super wins. They, you know, you win by miles. Very comfortable trade. So I like it. So the course is out. Check it out. It'll teach you how to read the price chart so that you will know when to take this setup. What else? Like, share, hit the notification button, do all that YouTube-y stuff. You know, hook me up. We're trying to grow the channel, and so, you know, share this with others, and let's see. We'll know. We're gonna take the Sabbath off, of course, but maybe we'll do Saturday night, Sunday. We'll see. But as always, this is JD. I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye.
We would like to thank you for tuning in to another Increase episode with JD. If you want to learn how to price action trade, please visit www.jdhider.com and you will find his brand new course, IOTS, Price Action Trading System. We thank you again, and as always, we wish you increase on the sudden.